Simple cooking made simple with Carolina Chef. This is our peanut butter pie with some extra chocolate syrup on top. We took some Reese cups and chopped it up. Oh, so yummy. Make sure you watch this full video to see how we do this, how long you need to have it in your refrigerator. It's simple recipe. So make sure you watch the full video. Let's play. So we're gonna start out with a 8-ounce package of Philadelphia cream cheese. Just drop it in there like that. And then we have a 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. And the reason we're doing a 1.5 cups of powdered sugar is instead of using Cool Whip that you would buy at the store, we're gonna add heavy cream to this. And so it's gonna make its own Cool Whip. It's gonna be much better, have more flavor. And then also we're gonna add our peanut butter. And this is a 3/4 cup creamy peanut butter. I like Jif, I'm a Jif fan. And if I'm eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, it's gonna be crunchy, not creamy. And we're gonna start whisking this on low, medium to low, and let it get real smooth. And then once this is smooth and ready to go, we'll add 2 cups of very cold heavy cream. So our mixture of peanut butter, cream cheese, powdered sugar is mixing up pretty well. We're just gonna scrape the sides just so that we get all this that's not mixed up well in there. So we'll mix this for about another 30 seconds or so. Okay, now our filling of peanut butter and cream cheese is mixed up good. So now we're gonna add our 2 cups of cold heavy cream. And I actually stuck this in the freezer for about 5 minutes just so that it's good and cold. And we're gonna start out with a low speed of around 2. And then once this mixes up a little bit, we'll start increasing the speed. Stop it, bring it down, and scrape the side of the bowl, just so everything's getting mixed well. And it's already starting to thicken just in that fast time that it was mixing. So then we'll start it back up. And you just want to mix this till it starts getting a good fluff. And that's it. We'll take this out. And you can see how it's kind of fluffy in there. And then we're using a Oreo pie shell. And when you're getting ready to put this in, just make sure you're scraping the edge of the bowl just to make sure you're getting all that goodness out. Man, that looks so good. Just kind of turn your pie shell to make sure you're getting it spread out where it's all even. And you're not leaving any of the edges empty. But I am going to try this. Oh, that's so good. So we're going to decorate it a little bit and just take some Hershey chocolate syrup. Just do a little drizzle. And the only thing the chocolate's going to do is just to add a little bit to it. And then we can take these little Reese cups and just play with it. Have fun with it. Let your kids decorate it. So we hope you've enjoyed this video today. We made the peanut butter pie. We garnished it with a little bit of Hershey chocolate syrup drizzle and some chopped up Reese cups. This is a simple recipe that you can do with your kids, make for parties, make for dinner, whenever you want it. It's so good, so easy. Once you make it, you get it, you know, put your toppings or whatever else you want on it, you know, put your lid on it, put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours or let it refrigerate overnight, then it'll finish setting up and it'll be more formed. And then you can just scoop it out with a pie shell or I forgot the spatula. Then you can scoop it out with a spatula and serve it, put it on a plate, and eat up. Your tummies will love you for this one, always. But thanks for joining us today. We really appreciate all our viewers and subscribers. Please, you know, smash that like button, share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe. Check that little bell at the top for your notifications. Thanks again, and God bless.